In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Turo gift card. Whether it's a thoughtful gift for a car enthusiast or you've received it as a special treat, Turo gift cards can be an excellent way to enjoy a ride in your dream car. So let's dive into the simple process of redeeming and using your Turo gift card. First things first, you'll need to get your Turo gift card. These can come through your email inbox in the form of a digital code or as a physical printed card. This code is generally 16 digits long, so make sure to have it ready. If it's in an email, you might want to jot it down or keep it open in another tab on your computer. Next up, you'll need to log in to Turo. You can do this by visiting Turo.com on your browser or simply by opening the Turo app on your smartphone. If you're a seasoned Turo user, just sign into your account. For new users, don't worry. Creating a new account is a straightforward process, and Turo guides you through it step by step. You'll provide a few basic details, and in no time, you'll be ready to browse. Now that you're inside, it's time for the exciting part, choosing your car. Browse through Turo's vast selection to find the vehicle that catches your eye. Whether you're in the mood for a sleek sports car or a spacious SUV for a weekend getaway, Turo's range is sure to have what you're looking for. Once you've made your selection, proceed to the checkout. Here's where your gift card comes into play. During checkout, your gift card balance will show up as one of the payment options. It's wonderfully straightforward. You simply apply it to your booking. If the cost of your rental exceeds the gift card balance, no need to worry. You can seamlessly cover the remaining amount using your credit or debit card for a smooth transaction. And there you have it, a stress-free journey from receiving your Turo gift card to hitting the road in style. Make sure to check the email tied to your Turo account to confirm the booking, and note down any additional information you might need before picking up your car. Each rental on Turo is a little adventure waiting to happen, so take the time to enjoy your ride, and who knows what new places you might discover. Remember, these cards are not only perfect for personal use, but can also be a fantastic gift for friends and family, igniting their sense of adventure. Enjoy exploring the roads ahead, and thank you for joining today's guide on using a Turo gift card. Safe travels!